Draw a leaf shape to guide your stitches. You can also draw the direction guide. Come up through one side of the design and make straight stitch coming down into the opposite side. Keep making straight stitches close to each other. Keep the edge of the design even and same direction of stitches. If you have a knot, pull it up until it disappears. For the thicker leaf, make 2 layers of satin stitch. Draw small and big leaf shapes. Alternate long and short stitches. Long stitch, short stitch. Long stitch fills the space between 2 lines we drew before. For the second row of stitches, I use lighter shade of green. Work satin stitch row in equal length. Draw a leaf. Fill the shape with randomly placed seed stitches. I make 2 straight stitches for each seed. Make outline with back stitches. Make a stitch along the line. Come up stitch length ahead and go back down into the hole where you finished the last stitch. Always secure the thread. Slide under the stitches a few times. Draw a leaf and divide it into 3 parts. Come up on the 4th line and go down into the 2nd. Up through the 1st and down into the 3rd. Place stitches diagonally. A little bit of geometry. Draw a rhomb and mark the center point. Connect all points, making straight stitches. Fit 3 more stitches into each quarter. The shape can be less angular. Make V-shaped stitches. 1 in the first row and 2 in the second. Three in the third row and 1 more time, but in the opposite direction. Draw a leaf. Make the same stitch as before, but keep the stitches as close as possible and follow the line you drew to keep a defined edge. Stitches can be made way closer to each other if you want more solid one-piece look. Hope you enjoyed these stitches! More parts with stitches for leaves and flowers are coming soon. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!